you fit 37s on a level? Today we're going to be answering that question. Short answer is yes. Long answer is yes, but you're going to fucking rub like crazy. And in today's video, we fix that issue. Minimal rubbing, because you can see we're going to have to trim the whole fucking fender off for the front. But I guess they fit if you're fine with rubbing and driving and turning a lot. I swear it wasn't this bad the last time I drove this truck. I don't know what my dad did, but now it's like rubbing way worse. Like right there, I'm hitting right away before I even turn. Yeah, look. Yeah, I don't know what my dad did, but when I drove it the couple days before, I was able to turn pretty good without too much, you know, hitting. But in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and see like fuck. But in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and trim, see how much we can trim, just to make this truck a little more drivable. Whatever. I think it's the fender liner. The fender liner fell off on that side. I think that might be the issue. Because he was telling me something about that. But before, you were able to turn, like, it wasn't this bad. Because this is, oh, this dog's running at me. But this is kind of absurd how much you can't turn. Yeah, like, see, this side's good. It's just the right side. Let's see how bad it is right now. Oh, embarrassing. Fudge, man. It's pretty bad, but yeah, I'll go ahead and update you guys once I'm at the shop. But this one's not on.
No, pues está mejor.
Now I just moved the lower valance. It wasn't hitting there, but just it looks better without it. I don't know. This is the only bracket that's hitting, I guess. So we're gonna take off these 3 bolts, and we'll see how much it rubs after that. But I don't think it's gonna rub too much, so we should be good from there. You seen I cut the 2 front little things for where the fender liner goes, and then I took out that bracket in the back, and now we're barely rubbing, which is great. So I guess you can run 37s on a level with minimal cutting. Honestly, you don't have to do any cutting. You just have to cut the fender liner and cut like within it. You don't have to cut like the bumper or the fenders like I see some people do on their trucks, just to fit like a bigger tire or wider tires, whatever they do. So yeah, as for F-150s, you can fit 37s with a level with no front bumper and no lower valance. So just like that, you'll fit it with minimal rubbing. You'll barely rub in the back, and that's the only way. I know you can cut, but I just kind of went crazy with it. Did Raptor suspension, took out the front bumper, took out the front valance, and then now I'm on 39s. I kind of cut already, but I'm not even rubbing anymore on 39s because I cleaned it up too. I'll show you guys that right now, actually. But that's what you need to do if you want to run 37s on a F-150, and honestly, they do look pretty sick without a bumper. So yeah. All right, so I kind of got lazy on this side and didn't cut right here, but I removed the shit back here so you can see how much it moves. And then right here, I cut it all, and then I just did some self-tappers to put them in. And then I got lazy right here too, but I'll clean everything up eventually. But I did remove the lower valance too. So it looks like, let me show you the other side where I wasn't that lazy. Right here, you can see that I cut a decent amount, but as you see how much it goes back, so there's a lot of flexibility within it. That's pretty much all you need to do. Honestly, you can do that in fit 35s without rubbing. And like you can do full turn radius, everything. But with 37s, it's a little bit different since they are quite a bit larger. But that's how it came out. Mine's a little bit of a different situation because mine's more of like a 4-inch lift up front. So right here, I had to cut the fender a little bit and go in a little bit, cut that whole wall out, cut right here. I didn't have to cut that bar though. I don't have to trim the front. And on this side, I didn't have to cut that much. I just cut the fender liner and then that block that was there, and pretty much no rubbing on 39. With, I guess you can say, like a 4-inch lift, maybe even 3-inch. But yeah. So that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. That was hopefully informative for you guys to see if you guys can fit 37s on a level. Now you know you can fit 35s with no issues and 37s with minimal issues depending on the truck you have. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, comment if you guys want to see any different types of videos. But yeah, thank you for watching.